Hello, in this video I will show you how you can use Magic Eraser on Google Pixel 10. First of all, open the photos and right now open the photo that you want to use Magic Eraser on. Let's take this one for example and tap edit on the bottom. Right now open actions section and go to Magic Eraser. Right now you have to tap circle or brush to erase. So for example, I want to get rid of this north space over here. I want to only the blue box. So you have to just brush what you want to erase from your picture, and after that it will select the you have to confirm what the Magic Eraser selected. So now as you can see, it's selected the thing that I want to erase like perfectly, so click erase right now. But if something goes wrong, click over here. I don't remember, I think that was the unselect or something like that. And now as you can see, this is the photo after the Magic Eraser. When it's looking good, click the check mark over here, and that's basically all for this video. You can save it as a copy, and right now this is the picture. This is how it looks like. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.